Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is take a look at Jacob Hansen's drums room trick. Jacob Hansen is a well-known metal sound engineer who has been working with such metal bands as Amaranth, Arch Enemy, Epica, Delain, and many more. Also, Jacob has wonderful videos and courses on Nail the Mix, the best online community on recording, mixing and mastering metal music. In our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Jacob Hansen's drums room trick. First of all, let's have a listen to our drums. So here in our drum kit we have all audio files of our drums, but room drums. So in this case we don't have any room mics in our drums kit. And to create a fake room for our drums, we're gonna be using our overheads. So first of all we have to create an aux channel for our overheads. And in this case let's call our aux channel amp, which means ambience. Now let's have a listen to our overheads only. On our ambience auxiliary channel, first of all we're gonna be using Waves Audio L2 to control peaks on our overheads. Then we're gonna add some distortion to our ambience auxiliary channel. After that we're gonna be using Waves Audio in Phase plugin to check if our overheads are in phase or out of phase. Then we're gonna be using reverb to create some ambience. And finally we're gonna be using Waves Audio SSL E channel to add some compression to our ambience auxiliary channel, to use some filters and to use some EQ for our ambience. Now let's have a listen to our overheads. So now we have created a fake drums room for our drums. Let's have a listen to our fake drums room in our drums mix. So now you know how you can create a fake drums room for your drums kit if you don't have any room mics in your drums multitrack. If you want to learn more on mixing from Jacob Hansen, you can check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.